Each day, students arrive at school. You can hear all the noise as the buses arrive. As the students begin to exit the buses, the noise level continues at a level just below a crowded stadium. The hallways are filled with laughter and conversations as students go to their lockers. But as they leave the lockers, something happens. Somehow, they are transformed into either walking zombies or appear to be sleepwalking. Either way, students have been transformed into creatures that you can hardly get a reaction from. Classes begin, and it's nearly impossible to get students involved. The usual response may be, is this going to be on the test? What if you could transfer your classroom into a whole new experience for your students? Think about this. Students coming alive. Students becoming active. Students enjoying learning. Introducing Classcraft. Why not bring some fun and excitement to your classroom, and at the same time, get students involved in their own learning? So, every day the students come into the class. And the first thing we start off with is the event of the day, also known as a random event. Who knows what will happen today? Maybe the mages will be rewarded? Or perhaps the healer. It might even be the guardian. It can even apply to the entire class or just a small portion of the class. So every day, every period, I begin with a random event. Kids come into the classroom. They always anticipate what the event will be for the day, and it really helps them kind of get settled in place and get ready for today's activities. So if you find that each day it gets very frustrating as the periods change and kids are coming into class and it seems to take forever for them to get settled in and get ready to start the day's lesson, random events is a great tool to use to help eliminate that problem. Later on, I'll get into more details about random events, but you also learn how to add a class, how to add students into your class. You can do that either directly or through Google Classroom. You'll learn how to create boss battles. You'll learn the various other tools that are within Classcraft. And of course, you'll learn my favorite thing to do with students, which was to create quests. Students enjoy this the most. So there'll be more to come. Hope you'll stay tuned. Thanks for watching.